Hello and welcome to this edition of Fact or Fiction, the show that sheds light on the hottest IT solution trends and separates the reality from the hype. In this episode, we're going to tackle the topic of intelligent edge, and specifically, device tracking. Fact or fiction? Over the next 5 years, device tracking will be the most overlooked priority for companies when implementing an IoT initiative.
Fact. When you think about it, so any IoT project that you take a look at, you buy a Raspberry Pi, you buy an Arduino, buy a Dragon board, whatever it might be, and you buy a sensor array. They usually come with pressure sensors, temperature sensors, GPS sensors. And so we put these projects together. And the GPS is on, and that's tracking, and that's some useful information. But unless you're looking at a GPS-oriented app or a GPS-oriented project, that data is there, right? And if you're not looking at it, you're opening yourself up. Good examples are, I work in Denver. Should my device be popping up in Cancun? Am I on vacation? Or is that a violation? Does somebody have my credentials? If I'm not supposed to be in that building, am I watching that? We can do things like geofencing. Should that device operate outside of my building? In the case of like industrial robots, things like that, if somebody takes that off site, let's make it quit working. If I've got fleet devices, cars, things like that, can I alert when they leave their geofenced area? I've got all this other cool data coming back. Let's track that too. So I think that from a security aspect, we're not taking advantage of it, and we're not correlating that really rich GPS data back into other aspects of it for basically analytics, as well as the security aspect of it as well.
Fiction. While I do believe that device tracking is an important thing to consider, and certainly relevant 5 years from now, to me, what's more important today is connecting those devices and tracking those devices that have historically been part of our enterprise, but not necessarily connected to our enterprise. Think of an oil rig. For years, we've had these devices out there collecting and generating data that we haven't had the ability to see and interpret what that machine is telling us. By connecting those devices today and analyzing that data, I believe that these are the most critical steps that we can take in connecting our IoT devices.
So stay ahead of what's ahead. Learn more from our IT experts or chat with them directly about this and other tech trends. Just complete the forms on YouTube or follow us on Facebook or LinkedIn.